These are the Gateron CJs, one of the relatively newer switches from Gateron this year. And these are amazing switches. I think they're very unique. Um, these are one of the few switches that I would recommend not even lubing. You can use them perfectly stock. And for me, what makes it special is that it has a very distinct sound profile. A lot of the linear switches that I have tried lately would sound similar. You can distinguish them from one another, but there's a lot of similarity. But for this one, it has a very unique and distinguished sound profile. It's really clacky. These are with the palm plate, PE foam, and plate foam, and yet my suit sounds clacky and loud with these switches. So I really like that. Really special switches. I put this on the high tier switch list, probably in line with the Zakus, the Epsilons, the Oil Kings, and it's really good.